Good morning, class. We'll start this new session with the book Honeysuckle, Chapter 7, Fair Play. Some of you are joining the online classes, but I'm very surprised that very few people are joining the online classes. I request all of you, it will be good for you if you join the online classes. This video is for the people who have joined the online classes. It will be a revision, sort of a revision, but others can go through this video carefully, listen carefully. Chapter is 7, Honeysuckle, Fair Play. So we'll start the chapter. Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. We are talking about two friends, Algu Chaudhary and Jumman Sheikh. So strong was their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. So we have two friends, Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary. They were such good friends that when one went away from the village for some work, the other used to take care of his family. So they were such good friends. Now Jumman had an old aunt who had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that he would stay with him, that she would stay with him and he would look after her. Now there's an old aunt of Jumman, and she had some property. So what she said is that I'll transfer all my property to you and all you have to do is you take care of me. That is, take care of my food and my needs. The arrangement worked very well for a couple of years. So the arrangement was very simple. I'll transfer all my property to you and you take care of me. So this went on very good for some years, for a couple of years. But then the situation changed. What happened is, after some years, Jumman and family were tired of the old relative. Now they stopped liking the old aunt. Initially, because they had got property, so they were taking care of her. But now, after some years, they stopped taking care of her. Jumman became as indifferent to her as his wife. And now they stopped taking care of her. They did not like her anymore. Who grudged even the little food that the old lady wanted every day. And even his wife was not happy about giving the food to this old lady. Although they had taken all the property of this old aunt, they were not ready to take care of her now. She swallowed these insults along with her food for a few months. Swallowed is when you put from your mouth, when you swallow through your throat and put it into your stomach. Here swallow means the insults. The arrangement was very simple, that you take care of me and my property I'll give to you. But now they were very indifferent. They started neglecting her. They started avoiding her. They stopped liking her. Even the food they were giving to her, they did not want to give that food. So the old lady was very unhappy. Moving on to the next page. So she was so unhappy that one day she spoke to Jumman. So she had to speak because she was finding herself neglected and being avoided. My son, mere bete, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house, that you no longer want me in your house. So what you do is, kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. So she says, do one thing now. See, stop giving me food. You give me a monthly allowance. That is money for monthly maintenance. Money for monthly maintenance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. So she says, I'll cook my own food. What you do is you give me a certain amount of money every month, and with that money I will manage my own food. So what does Jumman says? My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient. He said, be calm. Keep quiet. My wife knows how to run the house. So stop asking about this monthly allowance, said Jumman shamelessly. Obviously shamelessly, because he has taken all her property and now he is not ready to take care of her. So the aunt is feeling very bad, very unhappy. This made his aunt very angry, and she got very angry, and she decided to take a case to the village panchayat. See, in olden days, all decisions, all disputes, जितने भी झगड़े होते थे, they were decided by the village panchayat. So she got angry that neither they are happy with her, neither they are allowing her to give the monthly allowance, monthly money. So she got angry and she said that now I'll go to the village panchayat, because panchayat will give a decision. For many days the old lady was seen talking to the villagers. She's been talking to the villagers, this is what has happened to me, देखो मेरे साथ क्या हो गया, what has happened to me, I gave all my property to Jumman and now they are not taking care of me and they are not ready to give me the monthly allowance also. Some sympathized with her. Sympathize matlab having pity, daya. In Hindi you call daya ana. So some people had pity on her, others laughed at her. So we have different kind of people. So in the village also there are different kinds of people. Some advised her, some laughed at her, others advised her. And what did they advise? They advised to make it up with nephew and his wife. They said make it up means to come to an agreement. You keep on staying with these people instead of fighting and going to the panchayat. So make it up with her nephew and his wife. At last she came to Algu Chaudhary. So now you know Algu Chaudhary. In the very beginning I told you both of them are very good friends, Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary. And she spoke to Algu Chaudhary now. So what does he say? You know Chachi, Jumman is my best friend. How can I go against him? So now Chachi is what we use for aunt. In our normal day-to-day life, auntie को हम चाची बोलते हैं. So he says, you know Chachi, Jumman is my best friend. How can I go against him? वो तो मेरा best friend है. How can I go against him? This is what Algu said to the old aunt. So what does she reply? But is it right, my son? She said, मेरे बेटे क्या ये सही है to keep mum? Mum is to keep quiet. Mum here means to keep quiet. It is not mummy which you normally use in your house. Mum is a word which is used to keep quiet and not say what you consider just and fair. Just and fair means what is right. She says, my son, you might be a good friend of Jumman Sheikh, but will you keep quiet and not say what you consider just and fair? Just and fair means what is right. Pleaded the old lady. Pleaded is requested. She said, you might be a good friend of Jumman Sheikh, but you have to speak the truth. Come to the panchayat and speak the truth. So all she says is, you come to the panchayat and speak the truth. Algu didn't reply. But her words kept ringing in his ears. Algu did not say a single word at that particular moment, but the words of the old lady, that is the aunt, kept on ringing in his ears. हिंदी में वे कहते हैं कानों में गूंजती रही आवाज. So this is the first part and it's very simple. We have two good friends, Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary. Now Jumman Sheikh has an aunt who gives a property to him and tells to take care of him. But after some time he stops taking care of him. So now she goes to the village panchayat. So in the next part we'll see what happens there. So till then you can listen to this video and understand it. If you have any questions, you can always get back to me. All of you have a nice day. Thank you.